Good morning, all of you. This is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. We are back with class 7, chapter number 3. As you have seen the story yesterday, the story is by H.G. Wells, in which there is this encounter of a ghost and Clayton, where both of them meet. Clayton is not at all afraid of the ghost. He's just shocked to see the ghost. And on the other side, the ghost is not a scary one. It's a very uh, tame ghost who is not at all scary, is on a very leaner side of the body, and he is not even clear and confident about what he has to do. So continuing forward with the sentence, we had seen that Clayton was actually trying to encourage the ghost to try and make haunting fun for him, and he was trying to build confidence of the ghost. A complicated series of gestures and movements with the hands. That's how he had come in, and that's how he had to get out. So now the whole thing is that the ghost is trying to get out of this place, but he is not able to. So they are talking about that only, that it was a complicated series of gestures. Gestures means moving your hands to indicate something. So it was a very complicated series. It was a very a typical series in which a lot of gestures were being made. That is how he had come in. That is the proper way how he had come in this world to haunt places, and that is only the way how he could get out of here. After a fearful time, he got his movements right and suddenly disappeared. After a fearful time, means after trying for a very long time, the ghost was very scared with how he is doing things and all. And after trying for a lot of times, his movements finally got right, and then he disappeared. वो वहां से जो है वो गायब हो गया. It was tremendous that we were this thin ghost and I in the silent room in this club, not a sound except our voices. There was one candle on the dressing table, all right, alight. That was all. I can't, he said, I shall never. Okay, then all this thing is happening, and then he's thinking that it was tremendous. Clayton is thinking all these things, that wow, it was such a wonderful experience. I met a ghost. We were only two people in this whole club, me and the ghost. Nobody else, only our voices were coming. So he was trying to, sink in the whole feeling that he has been spending time with a ghost, and it had been such a wonderful experience for him and everything. And suddenly there's one new noise, and that is, I can't, he said, I shall never. The ghost is saying that I can't, means he was trying to get away from that place, and now he's saying that I can't, I shall never, that I'm never going to leave this place. I think I'm going to get stuck here only. And suddenly he sat down at the foot of the bed and began to sob. And suddenly the ghost is sitting on the floor and he's sobbing. Sobbing means to cry silently. जब आप बहुत धीरे धीरे रोते हो बिना आवाज के, that is called sobbing. You have to pull yourself together, I said to him, and try. And to encourage him, I began to try as well. He's saying that you have to pull yourself together. Clayton is again trying to motivate the ghost कि आपको मतलब तुमको खुद को जो है वो मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा, तुमको खुद के अंदर जो है वो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लेके आना पड़ेगा. एंड ट्राई, यू हैव टू ट्राई. And to encourage him, I began to try as well. And to encourage him to do that, he also started to copying those gestures to encourage him. See, if I am also trying, you can also try. At last he did it. I know, he said. What do you know? Said I. I know, he repeated. Then he said pevishly, I can't do. If you look at me, I really can't. Okay, he said that at last he did it. I know, he said. Okay, and then he was doing, and suddenly he's saying, he's doing all those gestures and all, and suddenly the ghost is saying, I know. And then Clayton is asking him back, what do you know? And he's again saying, I know. And he repeated the same thing. The ghost is saying, I know. Clayton is asking, what do you know? The ghost is again saying, I know. मतलब ghost जो है वो कह रहा है कि I know what you are doing. मतलब I know, मुझे पता है. वो कह रहा है क्या? फिर वो कह रहा है मुझे पता. And then he said pevishly. Pevishly means getting irritated. ठीक है? तो the ghost is saying by getting irritated, I can't do. If you look at me, I really can't. I'm a nervous fellow. So the host is getting irritated and telling Clayton that if you keep looking at me, I can never do this. तुम अगर मुझे ऐसे ही देखते रहोगे तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. आई एम अ वेरी नर्वस फेलो. Well, we had a bit of an argument. Naturally, I wanted to see, but he was as obstinate as a mule. All right, I said, I won't look at you, and turned towards the mirror by the bed. Okay, so now what has happened is that the host is saying, if you keep on looking at me, I cannot do it. And Clayton is very much adamant that I want to see what you are doing. तो ये एक जो है वो आर्ग्यूमेंट दोनों के बीच में चल रहा है. The host is feeling that if Clayton keeps on looking at him, he won't be able to perform his action. And Clayton is definitely very much excited to see a ghost disappear. That how it can happen. Not but the ghost was as obstinate as a mule. As obstinate as a mule is a simile, which means very stubborn, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़िद्दी. All right, I said, and then Clayton finally had to agree, and he said that okay, I won't see, and he turned towards the mirror by the bed. So Clayton का जो smartness है वो यहाँ पे हमको आराम से दिखाई दे रहा है. That he turned away to fool the ghost, but he could see everything in the mirror. He started off very fast. Round went his arms and his hands, and then with a rush came the last gesture of all. You stand erect, open your arms, and he stood. And then he didn't. I wheeled round from looking glass to him. There was nothing. I was alone. What had happened? Had I been dreaming? And then the clock upon the landing struck one ping. ठीक है? He started off very fast. अपने बहुत तेज तेज ऐसे हाथ घुमा रहा है this and then after doing all this thing, the last gesture came where he just spread his hands out. ठीक है? And he stood erect. पूरे जो हाथ है वो सारे खोल के और एकदम सीधा वो खड़ा हो गया. And that was the last gesture which would make him disappear. And that is the very thing that happened. As soon as Clayton turned around from the mirror after seeing all this thing, as soon as he turned around, he saw that the ghost was not there. And then Clayton himself is saying that what happened to me? Was I dreaming or something? Because right after that, what has happened is that the clock struck at 1. It was 1 in the night and the alarm went on. Okay? And when you went to bed, asked Evans. यहाँ पे जो क्लेटन का स्टोरी है वो फिनिश हो गया और अब वापस कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है सारे दोस्तों का. Evans is asking that, and then you went to bed, you went to sleep after that. What else was there to do? Clayton is replying कि उसके अलावा कोई और ऑप्शन था क्या मेरे पास, कोई काम था क्या मेरे पास? And about these movements, said Sanderson. Sanderson is asking, what about these movements which you have seen the ghost do? I believe I could do them now. Clayton is saying that I think I can do them now. Why don't you do them now? Says Sanderson. Sanderson is asking him to do this, do these gestures. Okay? That's what I'm going to do, said Clayton. I'd rather you didn't. Clayton is saying that, okay, I'm going to repeat all those gestures, but Wish is a bit scared of all these things, and he's saying that, you know what, I would rather suggest that you don't do all this kind of things. I would suggest कि तुम ये सब जो है वो मत करो, because these can be dangerous. Clayton said, you're a very good liar. The disappearance happened to be convincing. Okay, the speaker, the narrator is saying that Clayton, you're a very good liar. बहुत बढ़िया झूठ बोलते हो तुम, बहुत अच्छे से कहानी बना के बोलते हो तुम. The disappearance which you have narrated, the disappearance which you have said was rather very convincing. It was very convincing. एक टाइम पे ऐसे believe करने का मन कर रहा था कि जो तुम कह रहे हो वो सब कुछ सच है. Clayton stood up for a moment. He regarded his feet. He raised two hands slowly and smiled at us all, but I think there was just a little hesitation. Clayton, after hearing this, stood up. He looked at his feet. He considered, or he took his space and everything. He was getting comfortable in all the situation. And then he looked at all his friends and then smiled, but there was still a little hesitation in his smile. If I begin, he said, I wouldn't begin. Okay? So he's saying that if I begin, अगर मैं कर लूं तो, और उसी के साथ में विश जो है वो जवाब दे रहा है अगर मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं करूंगा. Means he's trying to tell Clayton that you're not doing any of these stupidity or anything. It's all right, Evans, said Evans. This sort of is not going to snatch Clayton into the world of डार्कन सिवांस कह रहा है इट्स ओके, ये जो चीजें ये सब कर रहा है, दिस थॉट मींस ये जो सारा ड्रामा ये कर रहा है, ये इसको कोई बहुत ही अलग दुनिया में नहीं ले जाने वाला है, डोंट वरी, दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस दैट डजंट मेक सेंस एट ऑल, ये सारी फालतू बातें एकदम। Wish stood up and put his arm on Clayton's shoulder. You have made me believe the story somehow, and I don't want to see the thing done. Okay, Wish stood up and he is putting hands on Clayton's shoulder and telling that you have made me believe in this story. कि मुझे तुमने ये यकीन दिलवा दिया कि जो भी तुम कहानी सुना रहे हो वो सच्ची है. And to be very honest, I do not want you to do all these things. ठीक है, you are making me scared, or I'm not feeling good, or I'm feeling very uneasy that to imagine that you're doing something of that sort. Okay. Goodness said, I Wish is frightened. Then they're making fun of Wish. Kya re Wish to dar gaya. I am, said Wish, I believe that if he goes through the motions, he'll go. And Wish is very clear with his concept. He's saying that, okay, I'm agreeing that I'm scared, and I'm really scared that if he does all these motions again, then he will also go from here. Means he'll also disappear like the ghost. He'll do nothing of that of the sort, I cried. And then the narrator is saying कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करेगा ये. ठीक है? Clayton smiled back at him, which he said is right and the others are wrong. I shall go to the end, and at the last wish, this is to the hair, this room will be vacant. You will be amazed, and a young gentleman will jump into the world of darkness. I'm certain. Let the thing be tried. Then Clayton is saying that only Wish is true in this whole scenario. Nobody else is talking the truth or something. If I do all those things, this is actually going to happen that one man is going to just vanish from here. एक आदमी जो है बस यहाँ से अचानक से गायब हो जाएगा into a world of darkness, into that world from where nobody can come back. एक ऐसी दुनिया में जहाँ से ना तो कोई वापस आ सकता है, ना ही जहाँ पे कोई कनेक्शन सेटअप किया जा सकता है. No said, and then he's saying that let the thing be tried, कि at least try तो करते हैं कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. No said Wish and stop. Wish said that no, this is not going to happen, and he stopped at that position. Clayton raised his hands once more to repeat the ghost movements. Clayton raised his hands and started doing the ghost movements again. उसने पूरा हाथ वाथ उठाया और वापस जैसे भूत ने किया था वैसा ही करना वो शुरू कर रहा है. By that time we were all tense, largely because of Wish. By that moment everybody was scared because Wish was scared. We sat with our eyes on Clayton. Clayton bowed and swayed and waved his hands and arms before us. The last gesture was to swing his arms wide open with the face held up. ठीक है, he's moving his hands here and there, हाथ इधर घुमा रहा है उधर घुमा रहा है. जो लास्ट मोमेंट था वो ये था कि जो हाथ है वो एकदम ऐसे पूरे नीचे से ऊपर ले जाके खोलने हैं और फेस जो है वो ऊपर करना है. And when at last he swung out the closing gesture, I ceased to even breathe. ठीक है, जब उसने वो लास्ट जो एक्शन है वो किया तो हम सबकी सांसें ही एकदम रुक गई थी. Ceased means to stop. ठीक है, even to breathe means we could not even breathe at that point of time. It was ridiculous, of course, but you know the ghost story feeling. It was after dinner in an old house. Would he after all? He's saying that I know that was एकदम ridiculous, कोई sense वाली बात नहीं थी भूत भूत, लेकिन it was after dinner, रात का time था, and it was narrated so nicely that I could not help but believe it. ठीक है, there he stood for one moment with his arms open, his face bright. He waited as he were an age, and then came from all of us something half of a sigh of relief and half a reassuring no. ठीक है, then he stood there for a moment. He was looking like age, he was not moving at all, or he was moving very fast. And then something after waiting for a few seconds, when he realized that nothing of that sort is happening, so everybody signed the relief. सबको ऐसे वापस जान में जाना है कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था. ठीक है, no for visibly and half a reassuring no means everybody is saying कि no ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा and everything. For visibly he wasn't going. It was all nonsense. He had told a story, that was all. And for visibility, if we are talking for seeing that thing, so we have to be very clear with that thing that he wasn't going anything. It was all nonsense. He just told a story and everybody had believed. And then the rest of the story is left for your imagination. that you have to imagine that whether Clayton vanished or Clayton was joking, या सबका मिलजुल के प्रैंक था कोई एक किसी एक के लिए, या क्लेटन ने एक्चुअल में भूत देखा है, ये सारी जो चीजें हैं वो आपके इमेजिनेशन के लिए छोड़ दी गई है. यू हैव टू इमेजिन वेदर whatever end you wish of the chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to all. Thank you so much.